I'm Guy Strohers. I'm a Boilermaker fabricator and currently the leading hand of ALPHAFIT. I've been here for 4 years and loved every bit. I became a Boilermaker just out of school, and I started off in the heavy fabrication side, working on a lot of structural steel and big tippers and stuff for the mines. It wasn't until I moved down the Gold Coast where I got involved with ALPHAFIT, and I've got to say that the design processes and the fabrication is just second to none. I really enjoy the fine work and the intricacies of it. Once the brake press is finished folding our gear, the ALPHAFIT J-hooks are brought up here where they're checked, QA'd to make sure that they've all been folded within tolerances, and then we take them over to the welding billet to get fabricated. Preparation is key. If we want to have the right glue and the right welds that are going to hold this product together when it's at maximum use, you know, when you've got these big guys throwing it around, preparation is a must, because without that, then the quality doesn't start there, you know. Most of our ALPHAFIT products are all MIG welded, and that's to an Australian standard. If anything needs fine-tuned work or smaller welds just for the design fact, then it is passed on to TIG, where they can do a neater and a cleaner job and still get the welds within tolerance. The most satisfying thing about welding for ALPHAFIT would have to be the fact that the main focus is quality, and we let the quality develop into quick process, which leads into some of the best gear that we can provide for Australian gyms. My hopes for the future regarding boilermaking and welding is that we get more young people involved and teach them the right way from the start, because with quality leading the way in Australian manufacturing, if we don't start with the young kids, then we're never going to get it right. So here we have our spotter arms. This is just one side of them. They've just come out of welding, out of the bays, so the boys have just put them together, weld them all up, make sure that they're within the fabrication specifications. So as you can see, the folders have nailed it. Folded that absolutely within the tolerance. And so we can't get much better than that. Once we've QA'd the product, we stack them neatly on a pallet where they're all interlocked so that they can't move and get any damage within transportation. And then we move them up to the forward shed in dispatch. And that's where the ALPHAFIT boys will come, log them into their store, and then take them over to ALPHAFIT, where they'll be powder coated and yeah, sent and packed to the customers.
My name is Jamie Monisalvo. I'm the owner of ALPHAFIT and All Plates. My day generally starts with a meeting with my brother Bobby over at All Plates to go over what's happening between both businesses. Once that's done, I'll start to meet with the production staff, the floor supervisors, the laser operators, the welders, and just see how all the ALPHAFIT jobs are flowing through the business. Manufacturing in Australia is a dying art. Finding people that have trade qualifications is getting more and more difficult. What it means to us to have a business like ALPHAFIT is about keeping jobs here. What does Australian manufacturing mean to me? It means my livelihood. It's my staff's livelihood. It is what we are passionate about. My hopes for the future is that we start to put the spotlight back on what truly is Australian manufacturing. Just because you import a product and someone puts their hands in it and ships it out to you does not mean you're Australian made. It's all the infrastructure, the people, the investment in time, in energy, in the marketing of the products, the design of the products. That's what matters to me. I want to see this country start to understand where their products truly come from.